friends. Hope that you're having an awesome day today. We're going to be exporting some of our contacts based on the tags or a segment that they are in your ClickFunnels account. So the first thing, log into your account. Then we're going to go into customers, and then we're going to go here into contacts. And let's say that you have people that have unsubscribed or that you tag them specifically with the product. So then what can you do? So the first thing is that you can create a filter, and in the filter, you can look for the different options to find those contacts. So let's say all the unsubscribed users, and it's set. And let's say that you want to put different categories, unsubscribe and have a tag or something like that. And then you can save it as a filter. Okay. If you're just looking for, then you can select then all the different options in here. And then you see that you have the option to select all because it's selecting what is on the first page. I'm gonna select all. And then you have this button here that says bulk actions. When you click in there, you can do a couple of things. In this case, if we wanna export them, so we can get that list, you can click export. And let me just get myself out of here. It will give you the details of all the information that it can export. And then you create an export action. Okay, now I can download. And now we have our list of all the people with their emails and the information that they give you in the environment. My friends, there you have it. How can you export your contacts based on a tag or a detail in your profile? We'll see you on our next video.